Oh no, John, what's going on now?
All right, so we have a situation where you stick the key in and you turn and it's just not extending fully.
And why is that? Well, you don't know yet.
I don't know yet.
That's what you're going to
I
find
will
out.
Probably do and hope that it fixes the problem is I'm going to take the deadbolt off. I'm going to lubricate all the internal pieces and then put it back in. And
All
that
right.
should solve
Is that
the
a-
problem.
Is that an
Should
easy
solve.
project? People can do this on their own?
Yeah, you're talking it's 2 screws on the back. You just undo that piece, Phillips
Okay.
screwdriver. Comes out this way, comes out that way. Maybe you can take this out, and then I'm going to check all the internal parts to make sure that nothing's bent, because sometimes things can get bent internally,
Okay.
and sometimes you can re-straighten them and put a little lubricant and put it all back together again. So that's what I'm going to do to resolve this issue of this not extending out fully. As you know, you should always get that last click. I turn and it's just stopping
it
right
stops.
here. And usually, normally
Got
you go
it.
click and it stops, and that's very important because somebody can just go like that, get in your house.
And don't
This
call
way.
the $500 locksmith just yet. See if you can do it on your own first.
Sure. Yeah.
All right.
exactly.